gonna take this band, I'm gonna do a lot of lat work. So what I'm gonna do is come back here, have a seat. I'm gonna give myself about a foot, maybe 16 inches, hands apart. I'm gonna take this down back here, so I'm reaching forward. Might have to bring feet in. I'm gonna bring it out and then wide. Reach up, out and wide. So there, I'm working on that lat, pull over, and tension for external rotation in the middle of the lats, mid-back. A lot of tension there now, and spread it out as well. I can stand up and change the angle too. It's easy, simple stuff that you can get with just a thin half-inch band and make it work so many different angles for hitting different muscle and different excuse me, areas of the tissue. So talk to you guys later.